Sit comfortably and focus your attention in the middle of the forehead and visualize the light like a shining star. It is the soul, different from the body. I am this soul. Now visualize the soul leaving this body and going upwards very high into the soul world with his absolute silence in the golden red light atmosphere. And visualize you, the star, in front of a much brighter star, the star of the Supreme Soul. And see him as the ocean of peace. He is the ocean of peace, all peaceful, all peaceful. And like you dive into the ocean, dive into this ocean of peace and see yourself completely drenched with peace. You are now completely drenched with peace. The star is full of peace. And now you come back, leaving the soul world. The star has come back into the forehead and taken its place again. And now gently come back into this world. Did you experience that? How do you feel? Peaceful? Yes? This is meditation. 3-step easy meditation. Let us now see each step of this easy and scientific meditation. Number 1. We understood we are not this body, we are a soul. And meditation is done through the faculty of mind and intellect and not through the body. So it is purely a mental exercise. Second, the soul went to the God, the Supreme Soul, who is the ocean of love. So the second thing is, we understood that God is the ocean of peace and all other good qualities like love, happiness, bliss, etc. And then the third step, the most important thing we learned is, as we dived deep into that ocean of peace, we were drenched in that peace and it was just in our thoughts. So, by just thinking, you acquired the virtue of peace. How did it work? Let us see through this example, the monkey experiment. What the scientists did is, they took a monkey and gave him a banana to eat and scanned his brain, and they found certain areas of his brain were activated. And now they took two monkeys, one monkey watching another monkey eating the banana. The watcher, the observer, his brain was scanned, and it was found that the same areas of the brain were activated as when the monkey itself was eating the banana. And they concluded that either you do the act or even think about it or visualize it, the same neurons in the brain gets activated. And that is what called as the mirror neuron principle. Like you see yourself in the mirror, exactly the same, but it's a mirror image. The brain cannot really differentiate between real and imaginary. For the brain, both the images are real, and that's why thinking alone can bring changes in the brain circuit. And in this case, the circuit of peace was activated while the meditation was done. Isn't that easy? Super easy. So this is 3-step meditation you just learned. Remember yourself as a soul, and then just go to the soul world and meet your Father, the Supreme Soul. And whatever virtue you want to inculcate from Him, for example in this case peace, just dive deep down into Him, the ocean of peace. And as you experience it, you are becoming more peaceful. This is Raj Yoga meditation. I hope it is super easy for you to do, and you can do it anywhere, anytime. And just with this mental exercise, you can experience peace which you have been looking for outside. I thank you for your kind attention. Good luck. Om Shanti.